Hey, so it's on Tuesday, and remember this NFP Friday week. So I want us to reflect on what price is actually doing and what we can anticipate. So as we can see, yesterday we reacted nicely of the first scenario that I told you over the weekend, staying into this weekly fair value area as well as daily weekly immediate rebalance as well as daily fair value area into this daily fair value gap and push higher, which did happen. And as the candle closed, we formed a bullish engulfing candle, whereby I usually divide the candle into four quadrants, and usually I want to see price staying either the 0.25 or the 0.5. But in this case scenario, what price did is we closed below the 0.5 level, and we can be pushing higher of that. And also around the 50% level, we have this daily volume imbalance that we learned about later on past. In the past, we've learned about these daily volume imbalances, whereby we can also anticipate it to act as a fair value gap. So in this case scenario, that's why I have it labeled there, but I will be watching what price will be reacting around this level, because price are shown as intent to be bullish. We have this daily high to target the previous day's high, the PDH that I'm targeting. So I will be watching what price will be doing around this area from the 4-hour time frame, and see whether we can be dropping possibly lower. So from the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we have a bullish structure, whereby we have a 4-hour fair value area that has been confirmed, and also we had us thing into this 4-hour fair value gap. For me, price is bullish, really bullish. So we have this gap below here, but I'm intending to see it remain open unless otherwise. And so what happened later on is we had a change in state of delivery that had been confirmed, because this candle closed above these two consecutive down close candles. Price later on stung into that fair value gap, and we rejected. And currently what you're seeing is with this candle, we having a nice rejection higher, and we are kind of respecting this down close candle. And with that target of this fair value gap, let's see whether this our context area, the 4-hour fair value gap, we have anything that could help price push towards this PDH. So from the 1-hour time frame, what we are seeing is the market swept liquidities around these lows. We had sting into the fair value gap. After sweeping liquidities, we displaced, we dropped lower. We're gonna identify as to why price dropped lower, and currently we are pushing higher, which is nice to see. And if we have that 1-hour change instead of delivery, a candle closing above this candle, then we can expect to see prices pushing towards those highs. And from the 30 minutes, prices are displacing nicely. Why did we drop lower? We don't have any fair value gap over here. Then price is nicely pushing higher. And in the 15 minutes time frame, what we can see, we didn't also sweep these lows, which was ideal if an individual took an entry at this level, stops below this level, and maybe targeting a 1 to 2. But what is happening currently is price is pushing on nicely. We are pushing nicely, and at this point in time, if this candle closes bullish and around the 30 minutes, then maybe we can expect the next candle to consolidate, maybe form a fair value gap, of which we can push higher. But if you want to enter aggressively, then maybe this candle closes, have your trade there, immediately it closes with your stop loss below a 15-minute swing low. 15-minute swing low you can have at this point, and maybe target your 1 to 2, and that could be maybe my ideal trade. If assuming this candle has closed at this point in time, maybe other than waiting for a fair value gap, I'll just enter that spot, my stop loss be below there, and see whether I can have a 1 to 2. But at the all-time highs, what I will be doing is I will be taking ensuring that I've taken my partial and I've also moved my stops to break even. So until this candle closes, that's when we can see what will be happening. And the good thing is that will be closing with a 30 minutes time frame, which from the 30 minutes we saw that change in state of delivery, market confirmed into that last down close candle, then we are seemingly pushing higher. That's what I'm expecting. Let's see how this will print out.